This is my compiler lab experiment number 5, where I need to simulate a concept of DFA using some language. For this, it's a DFA is like it consists of a 5-tuple, that is capital Q, sigma, delta, and Q0 and F. And the final set of state is capital Q, and the sigma is a set of alphabets, and the transition function is delta, and the initial state is Q0, and set of accepting state is F, that is a subset of Q. For this, I use the Java program where it contains like this. In the class DFA, I create the scanner class, where it will take the number of and say I'm taking the input. So now I'm asked to enter the number of states, so it should be read in the int a, and I'm asking to enter the states. What are the states you're going to use? So that are s. I'm initializing the strings s alphabet and input. So I'm reading the number of states in the for loop using for int I equal to 0, I less than a, and I plus plus, that is s of I equal to n dot next int. Now I'm asking to enter the number of alphabets. In this, I'm asking what the alphabets you're going to use in the transition in the DFA. So it will be like in v is equals to n dot next int. I'm using the for loop again to store this number of alphabets values, that is a of I is equals to n dot next. And I'm asking enter the values for the state and alphabets. So for each state, if an alphabet comes, where it should go, the transition table we are doing using in an array, in a two-dimensional array. So we're initializing the two-dimensional array E, where it will take the values of the states. Now I'm asking to enter the input size. What is the input size you're going to give us for the string, and what are the values? The values are written in the in of I, and I'm asking to enter the starting state and the final state. Now I'm incrementing the count, and if it's not equal to null, I'm going to the next loop. That is, I'm seeing this for the both the two-dimensional array for I int I equal to 0, I less than a minus 1, I plus plus, and j equal to 0, j less than b, j plus plus. If input is equals to alphabet, then you are doing the transaction. If it becomes the statement becomes the final state, then the string is accepted, else the string is not accepted. So we run the program. It's asking the number of states. I'm giving it as 3. The states are Q0, Q1, and Q2. And now I'm asking the number of alphabets. What are you using? I'm using 2 alphabets, that is A and B. So now it's asking to enter the transition table. The transition table in such a way that if Q0 A comes, what will do? Q0 becomes what will do? And Q1 A comes, what will do? Q1 becomes what will do? It goes on so on. So if Q0 A comes, I have to go to Q1. If Q0 B comes, I have to go to the Q0. If Q1 A comes, I have to go to the Q2, and B comes, go to Q1. If for Q2, if A comes, go to Q0, and if B comes, go to Q2. And I'm asking to enter the input size. I'm giving it as 5, and it's asking to enter the input value. I'm giving B, A, B, A, and B, A, B, A, and B. Now I'm asking the starting state, that is Q0, and then the final state, that is Q0. The string is accepted, hence this is the accepted string. So this is how my whole program works.